Hi everyone, welcome back to problem solving with the JavaScript. Next problem what we are having a zigzag. Zigzag in this they given a one string where they have a having a zigzag pattern after that string, and we need to read that string in a line by line and return that value. So take example, this is a input string, okay, written in a zigzag pattern on the given number of the row. This is depend on the number of row, how many number of row. So how they are written, like take example here PAY, and next row they are having a P. Again they starting from the 0 and AL, like this they are written. So they want like we need to read these line by line, like converting this and reading this string we can convert in this zigzag pattern and read line by line and return that. That is a exact ask in here. So this question going to take a input of string and number of row, how many number of row they are having. Take example, if you are having a 4, then this become a 4 number, like a start from here to 4, then they going to put this value here, okay, a like PAYP, see from column. Again they are having a in the next row. Again they are having a L to here. Again they are having all the fours character, then twos, then next, like that we need to read that and read from top to one by one row and return that value. So yeah, we need to write logic for that. So first of all we need to create a array. First of all we need to check a base case of that. So how we are going to check? If string, this is a based on a number of rows. If we are having a one row, so as it is we need to return that. So if rows equal to 1, so return that string. No need to like do a zigzag pattern of that string, correct? This is a base case what we are going to have. Next, if we are not like having a more character and a more number of rows, so what we going to do? So that we going to create a array with a number of rows. Const rows equal to, we need to create an array of number of rows, and we need to fill with blank, like empty, because we don't have anything till now. This become number of, like this is number of rows, 1 2 3 4, okay. And next what we need to do, we need to traverse that string. For that, how they are going to do, like going here, here, we need to something to break this. If we reaching somewhere like here, if we are reaching something, then we need to break that. Okay, so let's current 0, current row is 0, okay, current row is 0. And for loop, let's do, I can write first basic, let I equal to 0, I less than string dot size, yes, length, length, and I plus plus. Here we are going to traverse all the characters here, correct, of that string. So if we console that, console dot log, yes of I, yes of I. This is going to fail for now. Yes of I. Okay, see what is the output we are going to get. Fill, full name fill, yes of I. All the characters we are going to get. See, everything is we are getting here in this. So what they are saying, they are having first this read, then this read, then this will be you going to read, because we are having a number of rows is 3, correct? So this read, this read, and this read, everything put in a column wise, this row wise, correct? 1 2 3. Okay, and after that we need to go for first level, so these need to be read for next column. Okay, so current row, so we need to going to put all the things in this. First of all we need to current equal to ifs. Okay, and we need to return we need to return rows of, we need to like join that, join with this, correct? Still we are not solved that, but still I'm checking. Okay, so see, base case is passed because they're passing only one character and rows number is 1. Due to that, they that is returning the as it is. Okay, rest we are doing here. Okay, so current is 0, we are assigning a value. Okay, but we need to do a current row one by one update. So for that what we are going to do, if current row equal to 0, because initial time that is going to be there 0, then current row or current row equal to number of rows minus 1, number of rows minus 1. So we need to break this. How we are going to break? We need to create one more flag. Let go downside down, we can make -1 by default. If this is, then put down equal to 1. Let's try this. What is the output? We are getting this is something they are expecting, but we are getting this one. Current equal to 0. Okay, this is correct, and we are checking this, and okay, current row we need to update. Okay, current row, what we need to do, current row equal to plus 1, or I can put down. Okay, let's try. Okay, what is this giving now? Okay, we are going this. Okay, so let's create one flag. Go down first. जो भी हो उसको निर्धारित कर दो यहाँ पे। Let's see, try this. Yeah, let's see, try once, then I will explain. Okay. Number of rows, correct. String we are returning, we are created one, correct. Joining a row and returning. So we are reading like zigzag. If current equal to 0, okay, current row is equal to minus row number, okay, and we are doing that. Looking good to me. Something weird, they are not accepting. I have refreshed, okay, rows, correct, current equal to 0, okay, go down is be false, I will be 0, string dot length I plus plus. I plus plus rows dot current equal to, here we need to concatenate that, correct. Yeah, this is done. I can explain. See what they are doing. I am doing here, I taken a base case. If you are having one row, then you need to return as it is your string. Second, what we are I'm doing, I'm creating one array with a number of input rows, like all the how we are going to read that one. Okay, next what we are doing, I put it a current is like a my first word, and once I read a first word, I need to check, this is like there I need to consider or I need to move back. If I can remove this, then complexity will be high, but this will be work. Okay, let's try. Yeah, but this is like a, complexity will be high for this, but here if we are putting this is a like a checking initial stage only, no need to go and looking at these all things. Due to that, that it will be best. Let's submit. Yeah, boom. So here what we are doing, okay, so go down I made a first time false, because reading this line by line, and you need to go down for next, if you want to read, so that. And rows is this in a current, what we are adding, this value we are adding string of I. This is every string, I am adding in the, assigning in the rows, correct. Okay, current is equal to 0. This is a condition when we need to break down to the going down, and this is according to down. If we going, then this is a break statement where we need to like, look, start from the initial state from going upward. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned. We are going to solve next problem in a few hours.